from the stream where the water ran red and the stones would scream. We buried our names where the last moon's tied. Now only the oath is what we write.
We came from the cliffs and the broken coast, the wind at our backs, no songs, no boasts. We ride with the rust and we ride with the wrath, and we carve our names into the past.
No gods, no kings, no songs we own, just the oath we swore.
By blade, by bone,
By blade, by bone, Babylon.